So hi, my name is Rose. I'm one of the ecologists for the Countryside and Wildlife team for Neath Talbot Council. I'm here today at the Knoll Country Park to look at one of our wildlife towers that we've got here behind me. So we've got two of these here in the Knoll and one at Bryn Tip Local Nature Reserve as well. So these towers were funded by a Welsh Government Green Recovery Fund, and the aim of them is to create lots of space for wildlife. So within the towers we've got nest boxes for birds like barn owls, little owls, kestrels. There's lots of little cracks and crevices in the walls for small nesting birds and invertebrates. There's spaces for roosting bats and maternity roosts for bats as well. So yeah, and they've also got these lovely reptile hibernation sites next to them. So that's a pile of rocks and earth that it gives space for reptiles and amphibians like toads and newts to go in and hibernate for the winter. So this work is sort of part of a wider range of biodiversity works that we've been doing at the Knoll and at other sites as well. So you might see if you visit the Knoll, there's some nice signs on the entrance which say Neath Talbot Bee Friendly. So that's part of our wider wildflower grassland management works. So that's where we've got some new machinery in, and we're slightly changing the way that we manage some of our grasslands and verges to try and look out more for our pollinators. And we've also got now in the car park some new planters which have replaced some of the old shrubberies. And they're full of native wildflowers, so they're pollinator beds, just perfect for things like bumblebees and other bees and other pollinators. So if you wanted to find out more about what the Countryside and Wildlife team is up to, we've got a Facebook page. It's called CNPT Wildlife, and you can also visit our website. The page is on the website Countryside and Wildlife on Neath Talbot Council.